Hey, what's going on everybody out there in YouTube land? It's old Jerry Bowman down here on the mighty Mississippi River, down here at Ingram Barge Company. Going to show y'all this pretty storm coming across over here from Missouri. You can see in the background across the river there, over Missouri. Storm cloud coming over. Look how it's got that shelf in front of it there as it's coming across the river. It's raining on the other side over there. We can tell it's raining down a little south below us. You can hear the wind starting to blow over Missouri a little bit harder, and wind's blowing over there. Funny looking cloud coming across the river. Thought I'd show it to y'all. What do you think about that? Hey, I'd like to also thank you for the 102 subs, man. Appreciate all the love and support got from you guys. Louisiana Coonass, Ozark Outlaw, appreciate the straight from the heart shout out video that you guys give me. Hey, I really appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate all the love and support from you guys. Wind's kind of getting up here, guys, coming across the river, as you can see. Getting a lot blacker. River's getting a little choppier. Still got a commercial